It's so cold.
Hurry up and finish the work. Let's go home for dinner.
No, John. Let's eat some food first. Warm up our bodies.
Okay, Brother Lee. Taste the delicious food.
Hello, is this 120?
Coal stove heating without chimney. Chimney is added, but not well sealed. No windproof cap or the opening is higher than the eaves. If carbon monoxide poisoning is found, call for help indoors. So what is the right way to do it? Open windows for ventilation. Let the charcoal burn out. Do not cover the chimney. Install the chimney correctly. Add a windproof cap to the chimney and keep the smoke outlet lower than the eaves. When cooking food over charcoal fire indoors, be sure to keep the air circulating. Don't move the charcoal basin into a closed room. If you find CO poisoning, go outside and call the police. We can check whether there is carbon monoxide in our home every day. At this time, we need a helper to help us detect carbon monoxide.